What's up, my friends? I hope y'all are doing good out there. I just want to let you know I appreciate all the comments and likes on my 2 Nirvana videos. Y'all have inspired me to pick up the guitar and play again. It's been 10 years that guitar's been hanging on the wall collecting dust. I might have played it a handful of times in that time period. It's tough to find the time, you know, between kids, work, family, our little homestead out here. We had a rough week. We lost our little flock of chickens. We had some caterpillars eat up half our vegetables. You can always pick up the guitar, and it's a great stress reliever. So, like I said, I just want to thank you guys for inspiring me to take the time to pick it back up again. I'm working on a 90s compilation video, so stay tuned for that. Should be coming out in the next few weeks. I mean, that's the decade I grew up in, middle school, high school, so I lived through the songs and learned how to play guitar in the 90s. I just got this Boss GT-1 pedal, so I just want to do a little open box demo with some of the presets, and I have not practiced or anything. It's just me going through the presets, doing a little impromptu riffing, and gives you a little idea of what kind of sounds come in the factory. Obviously, you can tweak them, and I think that's really why I got this one. There's so many options. They're endless. People are gigging with these, playing live shows. And there's so many patches online. You plug in the computer, download them, and you're good to go. Like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. With that, let's get on with the video. Alright, so I got this off Amazon. It was a package deal. It came with a couple patch cords, some picks, and a power supply. It does operate on batteries, but I figured I'd get some use out of it. Might as well go on and get the power supply, patch cables, power supply. A few picks. Side. Check out the box. See what's under the hood. So we got some paperwork. Looks like it came with some batteries. Paperwork. Who needs paperwork? I'll read directions. Alright, let's see if we can get it out of the box. Battery. This thing is real compact. I like portability. Let's see. See if we can get some power supply. Get some cables and we'll hook it up.